Grass, sheep, grass, sheep, rabbit. What is she? I see goldfish. Goldfish, goldfish. What is she? I see teacher. Teacher. What is she? I see seven.
Good job. Children looking at me.
Seven. What is she? I see seven. What is she? I see Bow. What is she? I see Bow.
You see a brown bear, a red bird, a yellow duck, a blue horse, a green frog, a purple cat, a white dog, a black sheep, and a goldfish. And
They're
a
mine.
teacher looking at me.
They're my
Good job.
teacher.
Oh.